Hello, Jem Ayres here, sex coach and sexological bodyworker, and I want to talk to you about my self-pleasure workshop that I've got coming up online for people with vulvas. And this space is all about self-love and self-devotion. So I'm going to be teaching techniques about how we can touch ourselves so that we can break any patterns that we might have around our own self-touch and self-pleasure. And it's specifically for women who have vulvas so that we can learn the intricacies of the landscape of our vulva, because actually there's a lot more to it than maybe just the kind of hard, fast clitoris touch that we're used to. And so this practice is all about setting an intention for our self-pleasure. Maybe it's to learn about how I can break any habits to receive further pleasure in my body. Maybe it's about releasing numbness even. Maybe it's about experiencing something new. Maybe it's about slowing down and using the breath. So you create an intention and I guide you through a practice. And you don't need to be on screen for the practice. You are off screen, you'll just hear my voice and some music which will guide you through the practice. Then we come back together at the end, just to kind of share about anything, our experiences that we might want to share. And it's really beautiful. It's a really deep space for women, actually. Women get so much from it because it's a lot easier to break any habits or conditioning we might have about touch and pleasure when someone else is guiding you, than it is kind of sticking to the discipline of it at home when you're just kind of in your eros, in your sexual energy. And sometimes that's when we just switch into go for the goal, and there's nothing wrong with that, but let's try something new. So it's a beautiful online workshop and it's going to be magnificent, so I hope to see you there.